guys, Donna here. I'm here with Dom, and we're here at Street Fair shooting for Maldonado's Grill, and they have a variety of different stuff, Greek food, Mexican food, American food, and we're going to go ahead and get into why they're here and how they were established. Okay, so ahora estamos con, ¿qué es su nombre?
Sergio Maldonado.
Sergio Maldonado aquí con Maldonado's Grill y le vamos a preguntar unas preguntas. So, ¿qué fue su inspiración detrás de este food truck?
Bueno, pues más que nada el satisfacer a nuestros clientes, a la gente que esté contenta con lo que preparamos, y en sí la inspiración fue el conocer el concepto de la comida griega más que nada. Y en base a eso fue la idea de crear Maldonado's Grill.
Qué bueno, qué bueno. Antes de esta entrevista, sí me había dicho Sergio que estuvo en Opa Grill en North Star Mall. ¿Y por cuántos años estuvo ahí?
17 años estuvimos compartiendo en Opa Greek Flavor en North Star Mall, muy exitoso todo ese tiempo y muy contento de haber estado ahí.
Qué bueno, qué bueno. So, la otra pregunta es, ¿qué le recomienda a alguien que viene por primera vez? ¿Qué plato le recomendaría?
Bueno, pues nuestro plato fuerte, nuestro platillo principal siempre va a ser el gyro sandwich, que es un sándwich estilo griego, carne de cordero con pan de pita, le agregamos lechuga, tomate, cebolla asada y la crema de pepino, tzatziki sauce. Es lo que yo le recomiendo siempre a mis clientes, lo primero.
Qué bueno. Y sí, antes de este video sí le habíamos probado y está bien rico. La primera vez que fuimos aquí a Street Fair está bien rico. So, ¿qué en el futuro qué viene?
Bueno, pues la idea, los planes a un futuro mediano largo es pues ahora sí que aumentar nuestra flotilla de food trucks. Queremos hacer en unos 2 años otros al menos 3 en total, 2 más aparte de este, y pues tratar de pues tener un local también, ¿por qué no en un futuro?
Qué bueno, qué bueno. Pues muchas gracias Sergio por estar aquí, tomar tiempo de su food truck a estar aquí para preguntarle unas preguntas, y pues le deseamos lo mejor en su food truck y en los planes futuros que tiene usted. Sí, muchas gracias.
What's up, guys? So thanks, Donna, for that wonderful interview there.
Oh, great interview.
And like always, I'm G, and I'm here.
Dom.
And yeah, of course, y'all already know Dom has been here with us this whole
Food
time.
Truck Foodies, what's up, boy?
So, Dom, what we got here today?
Well, we got a wide spread of cultural delicacies. We got an appetizer, tzatziki with pita. Of course, you can see the hummus, tzatziki sauce, the pita bread, and all these other Greek goodies. Yeah, falafels. And then we also got a gyro, or gyro, depending on how you say it.
Gyro. I don't know how to really
you're a guy and you roll, But, and then we all got the, of course, I believe this is the one with the lamb. Yes. So, yeah, we got lamb on this. And so, of course, it comes with tomato, lettuce, tzatziki sauce, and then french fries. And then we got the kebab. We got the chicken kebab here, and pita bread with rice, and basically a salad with it as well, with tzatziki sauce and a special sauce.
With feta cheese, one of my new favorite cheeses.
Feta. And so we also have a Philly cheesesteak here, and it has their own twist with it. So I want to go ahead and check it out right here. Look at that. So let's go ahead and try out our little appetizer, G.
Side note, G don't like Mediterranean food, so please excuse my faces. It does not represent how bad or good the food is. It's just I personally don't like Mediterranean. But for you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try it here.
I don't know what he's talking about. It's good.
So I'm gonna bite into this hummus here.
Hummus. I love hummus. You like hummus.
I like it. Good. You know, usually tzatziki sauce really depends on how they make the sauce. The sauce is not sweet.
Let me try a falafel.
Oh, yeah, here.
I've heard mixed things about it.
Oh, falafel. Falafel.
Me and falafels don't get along.
It is. Look at that.
I don't mess with falafels.
Oh, these chickpeas.
What is it supposed to be?
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas. Fried. It's like a hush puppy. It's not bad. Here, try it with the tzatziki sauce. It's really good.
No, thank you.
This is their own twist on Greek food. Let's go ahead and stay in the same culture. Try the gyro. All right, Gene, you can take this one firsthand.
Oh, I'm gonna just cut it in half. Call it a day. Any fun facts about gyros that you know, Tom?
It's a funny name.
They're made out of guys.
That roll.
Well, it has
Name
lamb
roll.
in it, and it's
Alright,
like
happy
their
about
version of a burger, basically.
Okay. You know what? That falafel was really good.
Right. You can try it. The rest is really good.
Pretty good. I love lamb. Lamb is
You know what? Ram is a food that I don't really get that often because of how it's made. You know, but I really like this one. Yep, thank you.
so I'm gonna jump into this
you wanna-
kebab here. But
Yeah.
where did my feta cheese go?
Feta here, right here, the feta. It ain't no better.
I'm gonna put some feta on mine, but while Dom goes ahead and dips
That's
into it there.
You gotta try
Go,
with
go,
all the
go.
veggies, and
I
G don't like
know.
veggies.
You have to.
Oh wow.
Thank you.
Yeah, dessert just got here. We're gonna dip into that in a minute too.
Ooh, this is hot sauce, guys. That special sauce is special. Here, a Philly cheesesteak, their way. So let's go ahead and see how it goes. All right, Philly.
Alright.
A Philly in San Antonio.
So here we go.
Cheers.
Ya se vio las fotos, ahorita te la tomo de una vez, te la tomo.
Yep, some provolone, some green peppers, onion.
There's cheese in there?
Yeah, it's right there. See? Tin beneath everything, like everything that beautiful is.
I know the grilled onions are amazing. The tomato on it goes really good too. Most places don't put tomatoes with their.
Yeah, they only put lettuce. Okay, well, after having those dishes now, we have the main event.
Ding 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 ding.
So
Dessert time.
apparently we have here specialty, a milk pie slice to be exact, with some raisins on top of it. It smells like cinnamon. Oh man, G. Here you go, buddy. Or wait, is that a?
That's
Whoa.
clean enough. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
it's fine.
Okay, so go ahead. Gotta give me one of these raisins.
Good.
Wow.
It has a weird, not a weird character. It has a unique characteristic. I want to say weird.
Yeah. Reminds me of like a vanilla bean pie, kind of, right? Yeah, we got baklava.
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 It's not just the thing you hear on the commercials for Total Wine Food and Spirits.
No, there's actually a place called that, but let's see here. All right, G, you gotta fight it.
Oh yes, but try cutting it. Look at all the beautiful
Gooiness.
juices that
Yeah,
come
let's
out.
go ahead and see this again. Ah, look at that. Doesn't want to go.
I love turnovers. I love baklava.
It's like pecan pie
It's bomb.
in a turnover.
I love to see how one of these is made from scratch.
Right? I think it'll be a lot of preparation.
So with that here, there's nothing left to do but to end up the show here. So Dom, take us home.
Yeah, so 210 Culture is all about mixed cultures. So definitely check out Maldonado's food truck. Hey, you know, catch you in the streets, guys.